There have been so many iPhones that have came out in the last couple of years, and one of the things that I've noticed, I would say between a lot of the older iPhones, is that people are kind of keeping some of their older iPhones a little bit longer than they used to. And I love seeing that. And if there's one thing I can definitely tell you, or a couple things I could tell you about how to keep your iPhone a little bit longer, it's basically coming down to a few different things. The first thing, as I always mention, I probably mentioned this 3 times this week, literally just keep a case and a screen protector on your phone for as long as possible. It really is that basic. When you're going through and you're using your iPhone day by day, there's little scratches and little artificial things that can happen with your iPhone that it's not a big deal if you're going to not use a case for 1 day or 2 days or even like a month. But if you're trying to keep your iPhone for as long as possible, you want to make sure the body and the exterior of that iPhone is in as the best condition as you can get it. And that's why I always recommend buying even like a small little like TPU case. Those are like little cheap ones that you can probably find on eBay for like 70 cents. Even those cases are better than not having a case at all. And having any screen protector on your device is better than not having any screen protector either. Things like that, although they do make your phone feel a little weird or they cannot feel the most premium, it will still make your phone feel much better in overall situation because you are able to go ahead and basically still have an iPhone that is in really good condition, at least for the most part, if you don't drop it or break it. But a lot of cases now, even if you do drop them, they can absorb a lot of the shock. They can make sure that your iPhone's not going to break, and that is a big, massive thing I'd recommend looking into as well. Another big thing is with your iPhone, I would recommend as often as you can to update your iPhone to the most official version of iOS, but don't install any of the betas. If you install a beta on your iPhone, there can be so many weird issues and problems that can happen, and you are just asking yourself to be just in the middle of like a study from Apple. They're going to use your phone as like a benchmark of finding out issues and things like that if you install a beta. So there's no point in doing that at all. If you have a side iPhone, go for it, but don't even think about doing that on your main device. It never makes any sense to go ahead and do something like that at all. On top of that, another thing that can make your iPhone kind of degrade faster is with its battery health. And one of the fastest ways I've seen battery health degrade over time is when your iPhone is in extreme heat. If you're trying to keep your iPhone for as long as possible, let's say many, many years, well, you probably want your battery health to be as high as possible. And in order to do that, you want to make sure that your battery health, at least with your iPhone, is not overheating like crazy. If your iPhone is overheating like every single day, or your iPhone is, in the heat directly in the sun, that can cause so many issues, so many more issues than you could probably even imagine. So the best bet in that situation too is to probably go ahead and just let your iPhone cool down, not let it be seen in like extreme heat. And that can probably help alleviate some of those battery health degradations that can happen with your iPhone as well. So those are pretty much the main ways that you can probably keep your iPhone for as long as possible. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.